Let me ask you a question. How do you really win in investing? Is it by picking the right stocks, timing the market, or is it something deeper? Welcome back to Wildpod X, Tony here. Here on this channel we talk about everything related to money, investing, and mindset behind real wealth. Please subscribe if you want to stay ahead in finance. Right, back to our question. Because here's the thing, the people who truly win in investing and in life are the people who enjoy the game, and no one, absolutely nobody, embodies this more than Donald Trump. Love him or hate him, the man plays the money game with the kind of confidence and mindset that most people will never dare to tap into. So today we're breaking down Trump's investing playbook. Not the politics, not the scandals, just the raw principle of how he thinks about money, risk, and opportunity. And trust me, some of this will challenge everything you thought you knew about investing. Rule number 1. The game is won in your head first. Trump once said the people who wins are the people who enjoys it. Think about that. Investing is stressful. The market crashes, stocks tumble, cryptos go through the roof one day and collapse the next. If you're only in for the money, you won't last. Look at Warren Buffett. Why is he still investing in his 90s? Because he loves the game. Jeff Bezos, same thing. They don't wake up checking their net worth. They wake up excited about the process. This is where most people go wrong. They treat investing like lottery tickets. They're chasing quick gains, jumping into hype stocks, freak out over every dip. But if you want to win, you have to step back and enjoy the game of money. It's a major mindset shift. When you see investing as an art, not a chore, you stop making emotional decisions. Rule number 2, have your cake and eat it too. A lot of people think that wealth building is a trade-off. You either play it safe or take massive risks. But Trump doesn't believe in either of choices. He believes in having both. Take real estate for example. He made his fortune by structuring deals where he used other people's money to build massive projects. He got upsides while limiting his own financial risks. That's having your cake and eating it too. In investing, it's the same. The best investor don't put everything in one place. They don't go all in on one stock, one crypto, or one single asset. They create setups where they get the upside while hedging their risks. Think about it like this. If you own Bitcoin, you may also hold cash. If you own stocks, you may also have some real estate. The key is positioning yourself so you never have to make desperate moves. Rule number 3. Most people see only the moment, not the trend. One of the biggest reasons people fail at investing is because they see events in isolations. You know these headlines, stock market crashes, Bitcoin down 10%, recession is coming, and people panic. They don't stop to zoom out. They don't ask, where did this trend start? What's the bigger picture? Trump, whether in business or life, has always played the long game. Even when his company struggled, even when the media counted him out, he never looked at just the moment. He focused on the trend. This is why forecasting is so freaking hard. It's not because most traders get wrecked. They only see what's happening right now, not where things are going. And in a world where news moves faster than ever, this is a skill that separates winners from losers. So here's the lesson. Next time you see panic in the market, zoom out. Ask yourself, is this a moment or is it a trend? That shift in thinking alone could change your entire investing strategy. Rule number 4, branding is everything, even in investing. Now here's something most people would never think about when it comes to money. Your brand matters. Trump understood this better than almost anyone. His name alone turned buildings into billion-dollar assets. He knew that perception created value, and guess what? The same is true in investing. Tesla isn't just a car company. It's Elon Musk's car company. Apple isn't just a tech company. It's the tech company. Bitcoin isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's the original cryptocurrency. When you invest, don't just look at numbers. Ask yourself, what is the brand value of this asset? Because at the end of the day, markets aren't purely logical. They're driven by perceptions, by emotions, and by narratives. And understand this can help you see opportunities that others miss. Rule number 5, the biggest lie in finance that keeps you poor. So finally, let's talk about the biggest lie in finance. You've probably heard it your whole life. Play it safe, don't take risks, just work hard and save. But here's the thing, playing it too safe is one of the riskiest things you can do. Trump, like any other billionaire, understands this. Wealth isn't built by playing it safe. It's built by strategic risk-taking, by making moves when others are afraid. Look at the market right now. Fear is everywhere. Recession warnings, layoffs, inflations. But what do the smartest investors do? They buy when others are selling. They take positions when everyone else is panicking. And that's where you have to ask yourself, am I playing not to lose, or am I playing to win? So what's our takeaway here? First, if you want to win in investing, you have to love the game. If you treat it like a job, you will not last. Second, set yourself up to have your cake and eat it too. Limit your downside while maximizing your upside. Third, stop seeing events in isolation. Zoom out and look at the bigger trends. Fourth, remember that branding matters, even in investing. A strong narrative can make or break an asset. And finally, stop believing the biggest lie in finance. Playing it too safe can be the riskiest move of all. Trump's investing playbook isn't about being reckless, it's about thinking differently. And if you can adopt even one of these principles, you'll start seeing money, risks, and opportunity in a whole new way. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this valuable, be sure to subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And as always, stay invested, and I'll see you tomorrow.